If you are enjoying this channel, do like, do subscribe. There are links at the bottom. Help us grow our little community of like-minded people. Thank you. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Woolley. How are you tonight? Okay. You have a nice evening. I'll see you next time. Mr. Woolley, we need to get the tables and the chairs brought outside for the big feast tonight.
Okay, Mrs. Woolley. I'll bring them out now. Okay, Mrs. Woolley, here's one of the tables. Okay, Mrs. Woolley, here's the other table.
Oh, that looks wonderful, Mr. Woolley. Thank you so much. Now we can start setting up.
Okay, Mrs. Woolley, I'm starting to bring the chairs over. Where are they going to go?
Well, I would say let's put them around the table, and if everybody wants to, they can pull them away later.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Well, everything looks great. So all we have to do now is get the food ready and wait for our family and friends to get here.
Yes, Mrs. Woolley. Everything does look great.
Well, Mr. Woolley, we're finally all moved in, and we couldn't be happier. Our family and friends are here to celebrate, and they have brought so many nice things to eat tonight, and we have music planned, and we have games planned for all the children. So it's going to be a wonderful evening, and we just want to say thank you so very much, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.